Hello and welcome to Fund to Money, your 24 into 7 buddy for all your money matters. When you are going for a top up SIP, which is a top up systematic investment plan where your regular investments in a mutual fund scheme or mutual fund plan increases periodically, then there are five important things that you need to keep in mind. The video is going to discuss those five important things. What are those things? You need to wait just a little while. Welcome back. Welcome to Fund to Money, your 24 into 7 buddy for all your money matters. In this video, we're going to discuss five important things that you need to keep in mind as far as top up SIPs are concerned. These are systematic investment plans of mutual funds where the regular investment amount increases periodically. So, what are those five things that you need to keep in mind? Number one, as we have mentioned in one of the other videos related to top up SIPs, you need to mention that you are going for a top up facility at the time of enrollment. Once you're in a regular SIP, you will not be able to make the change. So, if you think you're confident that your income is going to increase or you can manage the increases in the regular investment amount, then by all means you need to go for a top up SIP. It's highly desirable. You can start small and then periodically increase the regular investment amount, right? So the other thing is that the frequency of the top up can be half yearly or annually. You can find out from the fund house, the fund for which you have chosen. Top up SIP investment is just a way of investing it. You're increasing the regular investment amount, but the periodicity or frequency of top up is right within your hands. So when you're enrolling for it, keep that in mind. Apart from that, remember that top up SIPs happen only through the ECS route or the auto debit route. So these are the routes through which top up SIPs happen. So it's broadly the same thing, right? So, but this is where it happens. Top up SIPs can be started with as little amount as 500 rupees, and thereafter in multiples of 500 rupees, right? Apart from that, the fifth thing is basically that remaining aspects of top up SIPs is the same as an SIP. So these are the 5 points that you need to keep in mind when you're going for a top up SIP. Of course, you have to obviously choose the right fund that you will be investing in. But apart from that, these are the 5 things you need to keep in mind while going for a top up SIP. So we hope you found this video useful. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, why don't you subscribe to our channel? We'd love to have you here. If there are comment suggestions, you can put them in the comment section. You can also connect with us on all leading social media networks. So till the next edition of a Fund to Money video, take very good care of yourself and goodbye.